This video is on circle from Exemplar. In this video, I have explained two sample questions. These sample questions are mentioned in the book before the exercise 9.2. Now write true or false and give reasons for your answer. The sample question 1 is, in the following figure, BO is a diameter of a circle and tangent at a point P meets BA extended at T. If PBO is 30 degree, then PTA is equal to 30 degree. Now let me repeat it. Now what is given here? BOA is a diameter of a circle and PT is tangent at the point P. If I extend this diameter to the point T, then this tangent meet this extended diameter at the point T. This angle PBO is given 30 degree. And he says then PTA is 30 degree. I am to prove whether this is true or this is false. Now verbally I am going to explain how you will do it. Just join PA. Since I am to prove this angle PTA, let this angle is 1. Now if I take this angle as 2, if I take this angle as 3, it means if I find these two angles, angle 2 and angle 3, then I will be able to find angle 1 because PAT is a triangle, and if I have these two angles, angle 2 and angle 3, then by angle sum property I can find angle 1. Now for that, now this angle is, angle in the semicircle is 90 degree. You know this angle is 90 degree. If this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 30 degree. In triangle PBA, I can find this angle by angle sum property. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So I can find this angle. If I can find this angle, then I can find angle 2. Now I am to find angle 3 now. Now join PO. Now if this is 30 degree, then this angle is 30 degree. Why? Why this angle is 30 degree? Because BO and OP, BO is equal to OP. Both are the radius of the circle and both are equal. It means angle opposite to equal sides are equal. It means if this is 30 degree, then this is 30 degree. BPA is 90 degree. This is 90, this is 30. So you will find this angle. This angle will be 60 degree. Now OP is perpendicular to PT because radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. So it means OPT is 90 degree. If this is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, and this is 60 degree, it means this angle 3 is 30 degree. If this is 30 degree, this is 120 degree, so this angle will be 30 degree. So this is right. So I am going to write it now. Verbally I have explained it, but now I'm going to write it. Now what you are to prove? You are to find angle PTA. Now it means you are to find angle 1. Proof is BPA 90 degree, angle in the semicircle. So this angle is 90 degree. Let this angle is 4. So angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 90 degree plus 30 degree. It means 180 minus 120 degree. It means 60 degree. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle 2 is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. Angle in the straight line is equal to 180 degree. Now I am to find angle 3. Let this angle is 5. Angle 5 is equal to 30 degree. Reason? OB is equal to OP. Radius of the circle. So angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So angle 5 is equal to 30 degree. Now let this angle is 6. So angle 6 is equal to 90 degree minus 30 degree is equal to 60 degree. Now OP is perpendicular to PT. Radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. So it implies angle 6 plus angle 3 is equal to 90 degree. Angle 6 is equal to 60 degree. It means angle 3 is equal to 90 minus 60 degree means 30 degree. So in triangle PAT, angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus angle 2 is equal to 120 degree plus 30 degree. It means 180 minus 150 degree means 30 degree. So PTA is 30 degree. So this is a true statement. Now the sample question 2 is write true and false. Give reasons for your answer. The question is, in the following figure, PQL and PRM are tangent to a circle with center O at the point QR are respectively. And S is a point on the circle such that SQL is 50 degree and SRM is 60 degree. This is given to us. He says QSR is then 60 degree. I am to check whether this is true or this is false. So verbally, let me explain this, how we are going to do it. Now OQ is perpendicular on LP. You know, radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. It means if OQL is 90 degree, then OQS, this angle will be 40 degree. Similarly, if OR is perpendicular to MP, and it means ORM is 90 degree. If SRM is 60 degree, it means this angle is equal to 30 degree. Now, if this is 30 degree, then this angle will be 30 degree. Similarly, if this is 40 degree, this angle will be 40 degree. Why? Because OR, OS, and OQ are the radius, and radius are equal. So angle opposite to equal sides are equal. It means this whole angle is equal to 70 degree. So this QSR is equal to 60 degree. This is, he says whether this is right or wrong, and this is wrong answer. This is false. So actual this answer should be 70 degree. So let me write it here. Now its solution is OQL is 90 degree and ORM is 90 degree. Why so? Radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. Let this angle is 1, let this angle is 2. Now angle 1 is equal to 90 degree minus 50 degree is equal to 40 degree. Similarly, angle 2 is equal to 90 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 30 degree. Now let this angle is 3, let this angle is 4. I am to find angle 3 and angle 4. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Why so? Because OQ is equal to OS, radius of the circle, and angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So angle, it implies angle 3 is equal to 40 degree. Similarly, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Same reason, OR is equal to OS and angle opposite to equal sides are equal. It implies angle 4 is equal to 2 is equal to 30 degree. It means angle 4 is equal to 30 degree. So angle QSR is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to 40 degree. Angle 4 is equal to 30 degree. It means QSR is 70 degree. But it is given in the question that QSR is equal to 60 degree. So this is false. Actual answer is 70 degree. QSR should be equal to 70 degree. Here I finishes the second part. In the next video, I'm going to explain 2 sample questions which are mentioned in the book before the exercise 9.3.